Good afternoon. My name is Johnny Armando. I'm studying English degree, the National University, and today I'm going to explain to you guys some of the most common sounds, the H, the Y, and W. I'm going to explain to you those letters and also the stress sound about it. And I'm going to start now with the tongue twister. Unfortunately, my partner wasn't able to be with me in this presentation, but I'm going to present to you right away the tongue twister and the whole information. Okay, so we're gonna get started now. The tongue twister using H, Y, and W, it is the one that I have already. How much wood will a wood chuck if the wood could chuck wood? Hurry, hurry up, Chuck, because Harry has a yellow letters jacket and yellow feather. Harry's yellow jogger deals a Jimmy during jam. And I'm gonna read it back. How much wood will a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck could chuck wood? Hurry, hurry up, Chuck, because Harry has a yellow leathers jacket and yellow feather. Harry's yellow jogger deals a Jimmy during jam. How you can see on this tongue twister, I'm using the different sounds H, W, and Y. I'm gonna read it the last time for you guys, and it is: how much wood will a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck could chuck wood? Hurry, hurry up, Chuck, because Harry has a yellow leathers jacket and yellow feather. Harry's yellow jogger deals a Jimmy during jam. That's a beautiful tongue twister that you can practice at any time, and this is going to help you to improve your articulation, and also you will be able to identify the correct sounds of each word. And now we have the poetry. The one that I have created to you guys is this one. Okay, so 3 today, I saw the trees flare briefly like the candles on a cake, like a yellow flame, as the sun went down the sky, a momentary flash. Yet there was time to wish a new toy to use, and my brother kept in my frame on the yellow wall pictures of every motorcycle, car, truck, and his rusted Adam Impala convertible wearing his cap and gown, waving in his yellow Barracuda, with a girl leaning into him, waving on his Honda 350, waving on his Honda 7500, with the boys holding a beer, waving in his first rig, wearing a baseball hat, backwards, waving in his Mercury Montego, getting married. Everything dies, I said. How had that started? A tree? The winter? Not me, she said. And I said, oh yeah. And she said, I'm reincarnating. Hi, she said, see you in a few thousand years. What years? I wondered. Why not minutes? Days. She found that so funny. Haha. Double over years, she said. Confidentially, I think you and I have known each other a few lifetimes, I said. Okay, so I will read it back to you. This poetry is the one you can identify the different letters, the H, the Y, and W. And it says, 30 today, I saw the trees flare briefly like the candles on a cake, like a yellow flame, as the sun went down the sky, a momentary flash, yet there was a time to wish a new toy to use. And my brother kept in a frame on the yellow wall pictures of every motorcycle, car, truck, and his rusted Adam Impala convertible, wearing his cap and gown, waving in his yellow Barracuda, with a girl leaning into him, waving on his Honda 350, waving on his Honda 750, with the boys holding a beer, waving in his first rig, wearing a baseball hat, backwards, waving in his Mercury Montego getting married. Everything dies, I said. How had that started? A tree? The winter, not me, she said. And I said, oh yeah. And she said, I'm reincarnating. Ha, she said. See you in a few thousand years. What years, I wondered. Why not a minute? Days. She found that so funny. Ha ha. Doubled over years, she said. Confidentially, I think you and I have known each other a few lifetimes, I said. And that's the end of my poetry. And now I'm going to explain to you a little bit about how you can create the different sounds that I have been using in this activity. Information about the H, Y, and W sound. Well, the H sound is made through the mouth and is aspirated, which means air comes out of your mouth. As you said, the sound, and you do not vibrate your vocal cords, but it is defined by the position of your vocal cords because it is a fricative. So it means that once you try to create, or once you see like a specific word and you want to do it, you will need to follow those steps, right? Aspirate the air on your mouth, and it's gonna go through your vocal cord, like in the word home, whole, right? In those words, you can identify that just a whole. You aspirate the air, right? And now, that's how you can create the H sound. That's an amazing sound that you can find in a different information and also documents if you read, right? And the other one is the while. The tongue is extended forward with the body of the tongue very near the tooth ridge and hard palate. Because the tongue is so high, the jaw is kept really close during the formation of this sound. So in this case, one of the examples that I have for you, it is in the word yellow, right? Because when you say yellow, you are using, right? In this case, you are using your tongue, yellow, and you are like near the tooth ridge, right? You are using your tongue near to your teeth to say yellow, and that's how you can create in this case, the sound. And the last one is the W sound. The W sound is called the labial velar approximant, which means that you round your lips and form a narrow space at the back of your mouth with your tongue. The W sound is made through the mouth and is voiced. So it means that when it's voiced, you are going to feel like a little vibration on your vocal cord, right? An example, has one of the examples that I have for you. It will be in the word work. You can feel a little vibration on your vocal cord, on the throat, right? So that's the information that I have for you guys, and this has been everything. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have a wonderful day.